This sutra is very popular in Sri Lanka and everywhere in the Buddhist world. Declared by the Buddha when monks couldn't concentrate because of the disturbances in the forest. Some divine beings who were in charge of the forest, they were not happy that monks were meditating, so they were trying to disturb so that the monks will leave the forest. So the monks couldn't meditate because of so many disturbances, bad sounds, bad smells, so much of troubles. So they all went back to Buddha and said, we can't concentrate, we can't meditate because of these troubles. Buddha said, you have to go back to the same place, but remind this sutta. Meditate on metta. Metta means love to the all living beings, including the people, divine beings or non-human beings who disturb, who trouble you, who make you, who are trying to change your path. Even to those you have to do metta. So let us listen. Karaniyamatha kusalena yantan santam padang abhisameccha sakko ujocha sujucha sujochasya mudvanati mani santusakocha subharocha apakichocha sallavka utti santintriyocha nipakocha apagabbo kulesu anunagiddo natakujjan samachare kinchiyena vinyu pare upodeyi sukinova kimino hontu sabbe satta bhavantu sukitatta yekinchipana bhutatti tasavattavarawa anavasesa igavaye mahantava Madhyamarasa Kanutula Diktavaya Vadikta Ishaduriva Satya Viduri Bhutava Sambhavesiva Sabbe Satta Bhavantu Sukitatta Naparo Parang Nikubbeta Nati Manyeta Katatinam Kanchi Bhyaro Sanapatika Sanya Nanya Manyasa Yukkamichaye Matayata Niyam Puttam Ayusa Eka Putta Manurakki Evam Pisabha Bhutesu Manasambhave Aparimana Mittancha sabba lokasmin manasambhave aparimana uddang aduchiriyancha asambhadang averang asapattang chittancharanni sinnova sayanova yavata savigatmitto etan sating aditteya brahmavetam viharang idamahu dittincha anpugamma silava tasya nena sampanno kamesu vinaya gedang nahijatu gabbaseyam punareti iti. That is it. Sutta. Please listen.